The abstainment of intervention from RBI led to a sharp upsurge in the rupee exchange rate by 2.35% in the last 10 days period. We feel the RBI has temporarily paused its intervention in the currency market and focused on open market operations and Operation Twist to contain the upsurge in sovereign bond yields. Banks were also in favor of placing bets on rupee in anticipation of more foreign fund inflows into the Indian companies. We are witnessing a strong disconnect between the rupee's rise vis-a-vis the discouraging macroeconomic fundamentals of the country led by the expansion in combined fiscal deficit of the federal and state governments in the current financial year. The general view in the market is the central bank may allow rupee's appreciation for a while, as any rise in the rupee exchange rate beyond the 72.50 level would affect the export competitiveness and imply an overvalued exchange rate, besides making the country's exports relatively expensive for the overseas buyers. An overvalued exchange rate poses a problem during the period of sluggish growth. India's economy contracted by 23.9% in the first quarter of the current financial year, and the GDP data is one of the worst among nations that have so far released the data. Despite the discouraging quarter one GDP data and the India-China border tensions still hanging, the rupee posted gains continuously against the dollar, which posed a surprise to many of the market participants. RBI has successfully managed to push sovereign bond yields down by undertaking open market operations and twist operations to contain upsurge in bond yields. From a high of 6.21% on 26th August 2020, the 10-year GSEC yield dipped lower to end the week at 5.93%, representing a fall of 28 basis points in the last 7 days time frame, as many of the importers are availing import financing facilities to derive the interest cost benefit. We strongly recommend the importers to hedge the forex payables immediately on the basis of the exchange rate prevailing on the BL date for the tenor of the import financing facilities availed. For importers who have not hedged their import payables in the last 2 months period, the sharp appreciation in the spot rupee exchange rate, depending upon the tenor of the import financing facilities, shall significantly reduce the import financing cost, and the interest cost may be much lower for some of the import financing transactions. In the current level of the rupee dollar exchange rate, the exporters will be in a dilemma as to when the export receivables are to be hedged. Our recommendation for the exporters is to hedge the 1 to 2 month receivables, targeting a spot exchange rate of 73.40 or so, and targeting an average spot exchange rate of 73.80 plus for hedging the receivables beyond the 2 month time period and up to 6 months tenor from now. The available forward dollar premia beyond 2 month maturities prevailing at about 3.80% per annum would enhance the export realization rate for the exporters. The significant appreciation in the rupee exchange rate by more than 2.35% in less than 10 days has led to a strong receiving interest in the swap market up to 6 month maturities. The 3 months and 6 months forward dollar premia have drifted lower to end the day at 3.80% and 3.85% per annum respectively.